Though hard to you the journey may appear, grace shall be as your day. We have a living Lord to guide, and we can trust Him to provide. Do this and joy, your hearts will swell. All is well, all is well. The world of care is with us every day. Let it not miss us pure. Here we can serve the Master of the way, and in Him be secure. Gird up your loins, fresh courage take. Our God will never us forsake, and so